I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account with the billing issue occurred. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access your trip history. Scroll down and select your trips to view your recent rides. Look for the trip that has the billing issue. Step 4. Report the issue. Select the trip in question and tap on Get Help. Choose the option that best describes your billing problem, such as I was charged incorrectly. Step 5. Submit your requests. Follow the prompts to submit your billing issue. Be sure to provide any necessary details, like the charge amount and what you believe is incorrect. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you accidentally select the wrong trip, you might end up reporting an issue that doesn't exist. Double check the trip date and amount before submitting. I hope this helps you resolve any billing issues you encounter.